Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Chatcast. I'm Ben, and I'm here with my co-host, Anna.
Hi there. I'm Anna, and we're so excited you're here.
Before we jump into today's English lesson, we have a very quick but incredibly important favor to ask you. Please take just a moment to like this video and subscribe to the English Chatcast channel.
That's exactly right. Hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel is incredibly important for us. When you engage with our videos, it sends a powerful message to the YouTube algorithm. It tells the platform that our English lessons are valuable, high quality, and helpful for your learning journey. That interaction pushes our videos out to thousands of other English learners all over the world who might really need them. Your amazing support is the only reason we're able to keep producing these free lessons for you every single week. So please hit that subscribe button right now.
We truly appreciate every single one of you. Our community is growing so fast, and it's honestly amazing to see. Normally, Anna and I would sit here in the studio and chat for a while about my diving trips to the Philippines or her adventures exploring the landscapes of China, but today we promised we would keep our conversation to an absolute minimum.
That's right. Since we are both 22 years old, we know how fast life moves and how incredibly valuable your time is. Plus, being bilingual myself, I know the absolute best way to master a language is to simply dive in and practice. So, we're skipping the long stories today and getting right into the lesson.
I completely agree. Today, we're jumping straight into another highly requested shadowing lesson. If you're joining us for the first time, shadowing is a remarkably effective language learning technique. You listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say. It trains your physical mouth muscles and your brain to use proper English pronunciation, intonation, and natural rhythm.
It's hands down the most effective way to sound completely natural when you speak. We're going to explain exactly how this works for you. You're going to hear each phrase or sentence twice, and you should repeat the phrase or sentence you heard while following the captions on the screen.
We've prepared 3 different sets of exercises for you today. The first set will be easy, the second set will be a little more difficult, and the third set will be more advanced. All of the sentences we're using today are incredibly practical for everyday English conversation.
They reflect exactly what you might say when talking about yourself, your family, your hobbies, your interests, or your career. I'll start us off with the first sentence in our easy set, and then Ben will take the next one. Remember to speak up and practice right along with us. Are you ready? Let's begin. I enjoy listening to music. I enjoy listening to music.
My mother loves to read. My mother loves to read.
We play soccer every Sunday. We play soccer every Sunday.
I work at a cafe. I work at a cafe.
He rides the city bus. He rides the city bus.
My dad cooks dinner early. My dad cooks dinner early.
I need to buy groceries. I need to buy groceries.
She speaks English very well. She speaks English very well.
I walked to the park. I walked to the park.
We have a small apartment.
We have a small apartment.
Great job, everyone! That's the end of the first set. Remember to speak clearly and project your voice confidently into the room. Don't be afraid of making a mistake while you're practicing.
That's wonderful advice, Anna. Now we're going to move on to the second set. These sentences will be a little more difficult. They're slightly longer and contain more descriptive words regarding daily routines, family activities, and professional goals. Keep up the excellent work.
I am currently learning how to paint with watercolors. I am currently learning how to paint with watercolors.
My older brother is studying to become an engineer. My older brother is studying to become an engineer.
We usually go for a long hike on Saturday mornings.
We usually go for a long hike on Saturday mornings.
I want to visit South America sometime next year. I want to visit South America sometime next year.
Finding a comfortable pair of shoes took me all day. Finding a comfortable pair of shoes took me all day.
He enjoys watching documentary films about the ocean. He enjoys watching documentary films about the ocean.
My parents are planning to retire in a few years. My parents are planning to retire in a few years.
I need to schedule a meeting with my manager tomorrow. I need to schedule a meeting with my manager tomorrow.
We love trying new seafood restaurants in our city.
We love trying new seafood restaurants in our city.
She works as a graphic designer for a marketing firm. She works as a graphic designer for a marketing firm.
Fantastic work on that second set. You're doing amazing. Your pronunciation is going to sound so incredibly natural if you keep practicing just like this. Stay focused and keep your energy high.
Now we're ready for our final set. This third set is going to be more advanced. The sentences are much longer and use complex vocabulary to discuss professional growth, family dynamics, and personal development. Take a deep breath, read the captions closely, and repeat after us. Transitioning into a completely different career field requires immense dedication and hard work. Transitioning into a completely different career field requires immense dedication and hard work.
I find that maintaining a strict morning routine significantly boosts my daily productivity.
I find that maintaining a strict morning routine significantly boosts my daily productivity.
Balancing my demanding academic schedule with my social life is an ongoing personal challenge. Balancing my demanding academic schedule with my social life is an ongoing personal challenge.
My youngest sister recently accepted a highly competitive internship right in the city center. My youngest sister recently accepted a highly competitive internship right in the city center.
Cultivating a strong professional network is absolutely critical for advancing my long-term career trajectory. Cultivating a strong professional network is absolutely critical for advancing my long-term career trajectory.
I am actively seeking meaningful volunteer opportunities within my local community to give back. I am actively seeking meaningful volunteer opportunities within my local community to give back.
Immersing myself in foreign cinema is my absolute favorite way to experience entirely new cultures. Immersing myself in foreign cinema is my absolute favorite way to experience entirely new cultures.
Successfully managing a remote team of writers requires exceptionally clear communication and deep empathy. Successfully managing a remote team of writers requires exceptionally clear communication and deep empathy.
I am planning to launch my own independent photography business in the very near future. I am planning to launch my own independent photography business in the very near future.
Participating in regular mindfulness meditation has incredible proven benefits for your overall mental health. Participating in regular mindfulness meditation has incredible proven benefits for your overall mental health.
Fantastic job, everyone! You made it all the way to the end of that advanced set. We know that was a lot of hard work, but we're incredibly proud of your dedication to improving your English.
It's so true. We highly recommend saving this video and coming back to it a few times this week. Repetition is truly the secret key to mastering a language. The more you repeat these shadowing exercises, the easier it becomes to speak fluently without translating words in your head first.
Thank you all so much for joining us right here in the studio for another great episode of the English Chatcast. We absolutely love having you as a dedicated part of our community.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep listening, and remember that learning English with us is a piece of cake.
Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time on the English Chatcast.